Welcome back to Dr. Zahid Math. Today we are learning synthetic division. Come on, say it again. Synthetic division, right? A quick and efficient method for dividing polynomials. We will understand the setup, writing the quotient, remainder, and divisor so you can divide higher degree polynomials quickly without long calculations. I'll show a simple example step by step to make the process crystal clear before you tackle exercises. A small example I'll give. Let f of x is equal to 2x cube, right, plus 3x square and then minus 5x plus 6 by x minus 2. If they say like this, what you will do? You have to put a line like this, right? Make sure it is in order. Tartib. 3, 2, 1, 0. How zeros, teacher? Because this is 6x power 0. So 2, 3, negative 5 and 6. If it is x minus 2, you put 2 here. If it is x plus 2, you put minus 2 here. If it is x equals 2, directly take the 2 and put it here. So first you take this number 2. This side you are going to multiply. This side what you are going to do? You are going to multiply. And this side you are going to add. Keep in your mind. Okay. So 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 3 is what? 7. 7 times 2 is what? 14. So 14 minus 5, which is going to become what? 14 minus 5. So which is 9. Okay. Right. Because 14 minus 5 is what? 9. 9 times 2, you will get what? 18. So 18 plus 6 is what? 24. Okay, right. So in this way, we are going to divide step by step. The last column, this one in English, we call it as remainder. What we call? Remainder. Okay, right. And this one, we call it as quotient. This one we call it as what? Quotient, right? Actually, I started with power 3 and divided by 1x. So when I divide x cube divided by x, what is the resulting answer? X square. So it means it starts with 2x power 2 and the next is plus 7x and this one is what? Plus 9. This is called quotient. Plus, you write this 24 remainder by this term which is x minus 2. In this way, you are going to write the answer. How, teacher? Small example. Take for example 22. Divide by 5. 4 times what? 20, right? And remainder is what? 2. In the school days, you did all these things. So this is your quotient, right? Take it 4 plus like this is for us. This is the quotient. Plus we took remainder, right? Just take this remainder 2 divided by this divisor which is 5. Now multiply. 5 4s are what? 20. 20 plus 2 is what? 22 divided by 5. The same idea we are doing. Clear? So easy exercise. Easy to score marks in the exams. Let us go to the exercise. Use synthetic division. What do you mean by that? Synthetic division. Synthetic means you are going to put a line like this. And to divide 2x cube plus 12x square plus 14x minus 3. Right. So by x plus 4. So when it is x plus 4, you're going to write what? Here it is minus 4. Make sure this is order 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes, now you can write. Take the coefficients only 2, 12, mu'amal 14 and minus 3. Take the first number 2. Right. This side what I said? Multiply. This side what I said? Multiply. Magas. What I said this side? This side you are going to do plus. Keep in your mind. And the last column is what? We are going to say remainder. Okay. Baki. Remainder means what? Baki in Arabic. Right. So 2 times negative 4 is what? Negative 8. So 12 minus 8 is what? 4. 4 times negative 4 is what? Minus 16. 14 minus 16 is what? Minus 2. Minus 2 minus 4. It's going to become what? 8. So 8 minus 3 is what? 5. So this is Baki. This equation is what? X cube. I divided by 1x. What is the resulting answer? X square. So you have to start this as 2x square and this is plus 4x and this one minus 2 plus you're going to write this baki 5 divided by this one you're going to write x plus 4. So this is going to become what? Your answer. Clear everybody? Right. So easy to do this question. This is called synthetic division. Synthetic, right? Synthetic. Okay, what do you mean by synthetic? Just imagine a soft synthetic pillow helping you to divide the problems easily. The material soft, right? Or you can say the word synthetic. So it means what? We are going to tick the numbers step by step. Or you can say like that. Or simply you can say synthetic socks. Socks, malum? Right. So same thing, we are putting coefficients into the line. These are all coefficients into the line. Like we are keeping the socks on the cupboard, right? So on the drawer, you can say. Then we are going to multiply and add, right? In this way, the synthetic division is what? It is soft and smooth. You can say like that. Okay? Right. Such a nice exercise, this one. Let's go to the next one. Use synthetic division to show that x minus 3 is a solution. Underline this. I'll come to the English words now. And use the result to factor the polynomial completely. List all the real solutions. Right. Now I'm going to tell you two English words. The first English word is solution. I teach you in the first exercise. And the second one is factor. Remember all of you? What do you mean by solution? I told you whatever you're getting in the calculator, right? This is called what? Solution, right? And how can you write the factor? If the solution is 2, the factor is what? X minus 2. If the solution is minus 2, the factor is what? X plus 2, right? So they can also say solution. They can also say factor. If they say or if they ask you to check it is a solution, the last column I said, right? Baki, reminder column, right? You must get 0. Or if you get 0 and this is called what? You can say factor or you can say solution. Keep in your mind. Factor and solutions are same here in this place. Both are same. So if the last column comes 0, for example, here you look here, this is the last column I said, right? This column, if you come 0, then you can say that this x plus 4 is a factor. Also you can say, or x equals minus 4 is a solution. Both words are same. Keep in your mind. Factor and solutions are same. But the way of writing is different. But here it is not factor. Keep in your mind. Okay. Let's go to the question. We are going to make synthetic division. This is x cube plus c 6x square, right? X cube plus 6x square plus 11x plus 6. Check 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes, we can start. The first is what? X is equal to minus 3. Let me start the synthetic division here. Okay, I'll start here. So x cube 1, 6, 11, 6. Let me check again. Yes, Mu'amil 1, 6, 11, 6. Now it is given x is equal to minus 3. Directly you have to take, no change. Just put minus 3 here. Take this number first. Okay, right. So when I take here, this is 1. This side what I said? Multiply. Okay, magas. What I said this side, you're going to plus. And the last one what I said? Baki, reminder, right? Yes, what is the question? Check. X is equal to minus 3 is the solution. If the last one, if you get 0, then x is equal to minus 3 is a solution. Multiply. 1 times minus 3 is what? Minus 3. 6 minus 3 is what? 3. 3 times negative 3 is what? Negative 9. 11 minus 9 is what? 2. 2 times negative 3 is what? Minus 6. So what is the answer you are getting? 0. Clear everybody? What is the answer you are getting? 0 you are getting. If the last column reminder is 0, then what is the answer you are going to write? You are going to write the answer x is equal to negative 3 is a solution. X is equal to negative 3 is what? Is a solution. Keep in your mind. X is equal to negative 3 is a solution. So this is the first step is over. Is this the question, teacher? No. It is not the final answer. Keep here. Use synthetic division to show that x equals minus 3 is a solution. This finished. After that, use the result to factor the polynomial completely. What do you mean by factor the polynomial completely? What is the highest power here? 3. So 3 means how many solutions it has or how many factors? It has 3. So I have to get 3 answers. Okay, right. So now the given equation is x power 3. I divide by x. So what is the answer? X square. Start from here. 1x square plus 3x plus 2 equal to what? 0. Right. If you come to power 2, then we can use what? The calculator. Mode 5 3. Come on, use mode 5 3. A is equal to, B is equal to, C is equal to. A is equal to mu amal x square. B is mu amal x. C is what? Rakam. Okay, right. C is the number. Let me write clearly. Okay, so it is going down. Let me write C here. C is equal to 2. So let me write here. Yes, C is equal to 2. Right. Put in the calculator. You will get the answer. X1 equals negative 1 and x2 is equal to negative 2. Okay, I'm getting negative 2. Sorry, in the calculator minus is not clear. Okay, no problem. Right. So now what they said? Completely factor. So what are your solutions? Your solutions are the list of solutions, right? First we got what? Minus 3. Next we got minus 1, minus 2. So we got x equals minus 3, minus 1, minus 2. These are your list of solutions. Of course, they are all real solutions. Clear? Right. Let's go to the next question. Show that x minus 2 is a factor. X minus 2 is a factor. X plus 3 is also factor for this equation. What I said factor? You have to get the last column as what? 0. Okay. Check now. Tartib order 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay. Make a line. Synthetic division. Right. So it's 2, 7, negative 4, negative 27, negative 18. Okay, everybody? Right. First is what? X minus 2 they gave. So it means what? You're going to put 2. I said factor and solutions are same. They can also give x is equal to 2 is a solution. They can also say x is equal to minus 3 is a solution. Same meaning. Okay? Right. So take this 2, right? What I said, this side we are going to multiply. Okay? And this side what we are going to do? We are going to add. Okay? The last column, if you get 0, then it is a solution. So take this number 2, soft and gentle division. 2 times 2 is what? 4. 7 plus 4 is what? 11. 11 times 2 is what? 22. 22 minus 4 is what? 18. 18 times 2 is what? 36. 36 minus 27 what? 36 minus 27. 36 minus 27 is what? 9. 9 times 2 is what? 18. Wow, we are getting 0. So if you get 0, what is your answer? X minus 2 is a factor, or another way, x equals 2 is what? A solution. Not only one question, we have 2 questions are there. The next is what? X plus 3 is also a factor. You need to check. Again, you continue. Again, what you're going to do? You're going to continue. Clear? What is that? X plus 3. So x plus 3 means you're going to put what here? Minus 3. Now take down 2. This side you're going to multiply. And this side you're going to add. Okay, everybody? Last column must be 0. If you get 0, it is a factor. Not necessary to get 0. If you're not getting 0, it is not a factor. Okay? Right. 2 times negative 3 is what? Negative 6. 11 minus 6 is what? 5. 5 times negative 3 is what? Minus 15. 18 minus 15 is what? 3. 3 times negative 3 is what? Negative 9. So wow, 0. Not necessary, keep in your mind. So what is your conclusion? X equals minus 3 is a solution. Also I can say x plus 3 is what? Factor. Clear everybody? So from this, what is your final solution? X minus 2 and x plus 3 are factors. Keep in your mind, this is also same equal to x is equal to 2 and x is equal to minus 3 are what? Solutions. Both words are same. Keep in your mind. So this finishes your exercise 3.3. Right? Okay, all of you. So synthetic division is clear or not? Yes, it's very, very clear. So this is the basic idea, very simple idea for synthetic divisions, right? Very, very simple. Remember, writing the divisor 0 correctly and keeping the coefficients in order, tartib, is a very, very important point. So practice with few more examples to gain confidence, right? If you enjoyed this explanation, please like and subscribe for more step-by-step methods in Math 001. See you in the next video. Until then, it's bye from Zahir. East or West, Dr. Zahir Math YouTube channel is the best.